Hey Techno Studs, in this video we're going to download and install an FTP client on the demo laptop so that way we can connect into the FTP server we created in our last video. I'm on my demo laptop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a browser so we can download the FTP client software. The FTP client software that we're going to use is going to be FileZilla. So I'm going to type in FileZilla Client. There is a FileZilla server. We're not going to be using the FileZilla server. It's just the client. So I'm going to click on this first one right here, and I want to download FileZilla Client or download the server. I want the client, so I'm going to click this client button. It's asking me, do I want the 64-bit version? Yes, I do for Windows. There are more downloads down here, but don't need that. Just need this one right here. Which version do I want? Well, I don't need the Pro or the manual or the command line interface. I'm just going to go with the straight vanilla. So I'll click download here, and then it's going to start the download, and I can see it in the bottom left-hand corner. It is downloaded. So now I'm going to go through the install process. I'll open this up. It's going to give me my user account control here of, do I accept this? I'm going to say yes, I want to install this. I have to agree to the terms and service. So I'll agree to that. I accept. Next. What do I want to install? I'm going to just accept all of the defaults in this installation process. So I'll accept all that, and then it goes through the download process, and then I'm going to click on Finish to start FileZilla now. All right, now that we've had this installed, let's connect to the demo Pi. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, within the host, type in 10.1.0.3, which is the IP address of the demo Pi. I'm going to type in for the username demo Pi, because that's the user that we used, and the password is the same, demo Pi. And then we'll say connect. It's going to warn us because we're sending information over and it has a clear text password. Are we sure we want to do that? And we're going to say okay, and it will connect even though it sends clear text. So on the left-hand side, what we see right here is this is my computer, the local site, the local computer. As you can see, it's pointing to my desktop right now. So I could actually navigate through my computer here on the left-hand side, and this is showing the files on my desktop there. On the right-hand side, this is showing the FTP server. So where this would be at is within that home directory. The demo Pi is this / this root, and then I can click on files. That's the folder or the directory that we created in there. We see the test document, and I can copy over the test document onto this computer just by clicking and dragging it over. So there you have it. We've made a connection now, and it has this FTP connection between my demo laptop and my demo Pi. Hope this video is helping you out. Can you help me out by hitting that like button?